Hey, to manage Edge panel on the Samsung S24 FE, so all you have to do is just to open it and click on this pencil icon. And now if you want to, let's say, change these apps, so you can actually remove apps by clicking on the minus next to the application. And let's input here all of these apps that you are really using. There we go. So that's how it actually looks in my case. And now when you click right here on the three dots, you can select how you can open apps in the split screen view. So you can touch and hold or simply tap on them. You can also show the sketch to image, show smart select, and show recent apps. But when you unselect this, that's how they change. As you can see, you can only find here your apps that you actually pull here into this Edge panel. And by going here one more time, you can show app names. There we go. Or for example, you can even show recent apps. Take a look. So here you can find recent apps, and here you can find all apps that you put here. And by clicking on this arrow, on this dot, you will actually expand and go into the app drawer. So thanks for watching.